happened to me? Did I die? Why have I not recorded a sitting down talking video in 55 trillion billion years? Well, to answer your question, college. College happened to me, and I haven't been the same since. But I decided I would record a talking video today. If you know me, I've literally had the same phone for about 45 billion trillion years. It is the reason why my selfies are literally always blurry. Whenever a new phone would come out, I would kind of just be like, I mean, that's nice and all, but like, I don't really have to get it. But I don't know. My iPhone 8, which is literally what I'm recording on, which is what I'm gonna be switching out for a new phone, I've literally had for like just too long. The battery has just completely depleted. I'm not like the biggest tech person out there, but I do know that if you like go in your settings, you can see how much the battery has gone down over the years, and mine is literally at like 70% of what it was when I first got it. And you know, I think that's a sign. I think that's a sign. So anyway, so today I'm just gonna be unboxing my new phone. First off, I just want to say I'm literally not, like, I always say this in all of my videos where I get anything, because I know there are people that like are gonna come at me, but like, I'm not trying to brag. It's not like I get a new phone like every single year. Like this is pretty rare. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you want. Like, you don't have to, you know, you don't have to. And if you want to see more of me, you can hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get into the video. have sworn that I filmed an outro, but wow, it's red in here. But I literally cannot find it anywhere. I don't know if it accidentally got deleted, like when I transferred my stuff. I have no clue where the outro went. So this is me filming an outro. Just let me know if you wanna hear like what I have to say about the phone, or like a review or anything like that, because I've had it for about a week now, and you know, it's been going pretty well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.